Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about two particular products which have helped me personally to reduce my acne scars, even out my skin tone, brighten up my skin tone, and even in reducing the pigmentation which I had because of sun exposure and suntan and everything. There are two products. One is super affordable and one is a high end kind of a stuff. So very first product is this liver ayush face wash. This is natural fairness saffron face wash for a golden glow with saffron and kumkumadi tailam. We all know since ancient times saffron has been used to brighten up the skin tone. Even for fairness, people say that if you have kesar wala milk, then you will have a very good bright skin. So this product particularly has helped me a lot in reducing my acne scars. I had very bad severe acne marks on my chin and on my cheeks. This particular product had helped me a lot for that. This is 80 grams product which costs 110 rupees. Oily people will love this product. Dry skin people, if you are using this product for brighten up your skin or to reduce the acne scars and pigmentation, you have to take care in using this product. I have dry sensitive skin. This has not break me out. This has always worked well for me, just that it dehydrates your skin. My skin used to feel really stretchy after using this face wash. So you have to use heavy moisturizer after using this. Second product is this the Body Shop's drops of light pure resurfacing liquid peel. This is a chemical exfoliator. I and they claim that with brightening red algae extract from the North Atlantic and vitamin C. So we all know that vitamin C is very good for brighten up your skin tone and reducing the scars you have on your skin. So this product is like a thick white gel which you have to apply on your face and massage it for 20 to 30 seconds, and it will take away all the dirt and dead skin cells from your skin. It is so good that even from the very first wash, very first use, you will see the difference. You will see that your skin complexion is uh, brighter, your skin getting brighter day by day. It is not whitening product, it is a brightening product. If you want to remove that suntan, sunburn, for that particular reason, this is really good. This also helps in exfoliate your nose, your chin area, which are prone to blackheads and whiteheads. For that as well, this product works amazing. This product costs 1995, 1995 rupees for 145 ml. You must be thinking it's quite high in price and very low product. You just need 2 pumps of this for your entire face. This product lasted me for 9 to 10 months. So it's worth the price. That's what I feel. So this two particular product has helped me a lot. This kumkumadi tailam and saffron helps reducing the black marks from your skin. This that helps brighten up your skin tone. Even vitamin C in this and red algae, both of them are really good for your brightening purposes. So if you are using any brightening cream, brightening agent, that will help you reduce your acne scars as well. So if you like my this product usage review which has helped me reduce my acne scars and brighten up my skin. Today as well, I have just applied a little bit of lipstick and mascara on my skin. I have not applied any base and my skin looks really clear. Just that I have a little bit of dark circle, that is another issue. But other than that, for my acne scars, this two product has helped me. These two products have done wonders for my skin. So if you have liked my this video, please click that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.